What I want to say to everyone is, let's celebrate diversity. Let's all commit to loving ourselves and each other more. Hola everyone, happy Pride, and in this video I'll show for you a little of my skincare routine. So first, face wash. I could just here. So I just washed my face with soap, and now I'm gonna put this toner. I am using this one. This is new, so strong. So here in Brazil I don't have a lot of stuff here with me because I just arrived and my luggage didn't arrive. So, but I have some of my favorites here. And now, after my skin is clean and tonic, I'm gonna use this hyaluronic serum. I love this one, so good to keep your skin hydrated. And put in my face and a little massage. Put in my neck. I love this one. So after the serum, I'm coming to the moisturize cream. I'm applying my face, the naked. And when you're doing the massage in your face, it's important to put everything up, the movements up. You guys can hear the birds sing. I'm using this egg cream. I like this one too. I put in the freezer to keep it cold. Now I like to use this one on my lips. Yeah, and I'm ready to go to bed, and sometimes if I go out, I can add some here to highlight. And yeah, I like to do this if I go out. If I have to go out too, I like to use this one too. It's important, the anti-pollution drops. But I'm going to the bed, so I'm not going to this now. Also, before bedtime, I like to have a cup of tea. I'm having my chamomile tea. I think in English it's chamomile, yeah? Can you guys hear my chickens? So guys, yes, I'm ready to go to sleep, and I want to say sorry about the noise because I'm here by the ocean and it's so windy here and have a lot of animals. And what I want to say to everyone is, let's celebrate diversity. Let's all commit to loving ourselves and each other more. Happy Pride. Mwah. Big kiss.